Hello guys, this is Nick Dreadlocks and Lifestyle, and once again welcome to my YouTube channel. Kindly support my work by liking my videos, sharing, commenting, bringing your suggestions on the comment section, turning your notification bell for more videos, and kindly subscribing to this channel. Welcome guys, as I show you how to go about this simple trick for beads on locks. So guys, I just want to show you a simple style when applying or installing colorless beads on dreadlocks. But before that, we'll have to at least apply a simple style just at the front, so that we let the remaining locks with beads, colorless beads that is. So after doing a simple trick or a simple style at the front, it's now time we apply or install the colorless beads, in which most people don't know how to go about it. Since it's simple, a lot of people do not know how to go about it. So the first thing, you just take each strand through the beads, depending on how much or how many pieces you want to install or apply the beads. So the most important thing after applying or installing the colorless beads is just to tie or secure at the end of each dreadlock tip with a simple knot. You don't secure so tightly, because we will need to remove the beads again in case of any other complicated style. So you just make sure the knot is not too tight and also not too loose, because if you leave it too loose, the beads will be falling, and if you let it be too tight, you will be having a very huge task when you want to get the beads off, because you may end up cutting the tips for you to get the beads off the dreadlocks. So guys, it was just that simple for those people who don't know how to install beads and let the dreadlocks hanging with the beads without the beads falling. That's how to go about it. You just make sure you secure with a very simple knot at the tip. So this will be the final product guys, and the beads can't fall no matter what. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Let's meet on our next video guys. Bye bye. Keep watching as you like, share, comment, turning your notification buttons, and kindly remember to subscribe. More videos for you. Hit me on my social media platforms: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok at Nick Dreadlocks Kenya, And guys, I'll really appreciate your support. Thank you.